Hello friends. I am so happy to be here once again to share important and valuable information with all of you. Today, we're going to talk about a natural and effective way to reduce weight using a simple ingredient, lemon. Yes, friends, lemons are not only rich in vitamins like vitamin C, A, and E but are also packed with calcium, iron, zinc, and powerful antioxidant properties. These qualities make lemons an excellent remedy for various health issues. A word of caution: if you're allergic to lemons, please consult your doctor before trying this method to avoid any adverse reactions. How to lose weight by boiling lemon. Drinking boiled lemon water is a simple yet effective way to flush toxins from your body, improve digestion, and boost your overall health. Here's how it works. 1. Flushes toxins. Boiled lemon water helps eliminate harmful toxins from your body, which in turn supports a healthy digestive system. 2. Reduces hunger. Lemons are rich in pectin fiber, which helps curb hunger and keeps you feeling full for longer, aiding in weight loss. 3. Boosts energy and immunity. The aroma and nutrients from boiled lemon peels enhance energy levels and provide an immunity boost. 3. Vitamin C plays a major role here, improving your body's defense system. 4. Improves metabolism. Lemons contain potassium and magnesium, which are essential for boosting metabolism. 4. A higher metabolism means more calories burned, which helps in weight management. 5. Relieves cold and cough. If you're battling a cold, boiled lemon water is your go-to remedy. 5. Packed with antioxidants, it provides quick relief and soothes symptoms. How to prepare boiled lemon water. Ingredients. 1. 4-5 fresh lemons. 2. Water, enough to fill a pot. 3. Honey, optional, for taste. Instructions. 1. Wash the lemons thoroughly and cut them in half. 2. Take a pot, add the lemons, and fill it with water. 3. Boil the lemons for 3-5 minutes. 4. Let the boiled water cool for about 10 minutes. 5. Strain the water into a glass. 5. If you find the taste too strong, you can add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. And that's it. Enjoy this healthful drink daily to experience the benefits. Benefits recap by drinking boiled lemon water. 1. You'll reduce weight naturally. 2. Your metabolism will improve. 3. Your energy and immunity will get a boost. 4. You'll find relief from common colds and coughs. So, friends, don't wait. Try this amazing remedy today and see the difference for yourself. I hope you found this information helpful. As always, I'll be back with more useful tips and insights in our next episode. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.